Are you searching for the best commercial backpack vacuum? Do you need a backpack vacuum that is both robust and lightweight? Would you like a cleaner that is easy to maneuver over carpeted areas as well as hard flooring? A vacuum that lets you clean 3 times quicker than an upright or canister? No problem, we can help. After researching and rating over 13 of the top commercial backpack vacuums, we have chosen our winner. The best commercial backpack vacuum 2019 is the ProTeam Super CoachVac. What's so good about this commercial backpack vacuum? Designed with productivity in mind, the Super CoachVac 10-quart backpack vacuum is the favorite choice among residential and commercial cleaning professionals everywhere. Whether you are cleaning small or large areas, hard surfaces or carpet, high surfaces or low, this backpack vacuum saves you time and effort. An extra-long 50-foot power cord allows you to cover more area without having to constantly change power outlets every few meters. It also features an ergonomic, adjustable harness that responds to your motion as you're vacuuming, giving you hours of comfortable cleaning. Another great feature is the pro-level filtration with HEPA media filter that captures and contains dust, allergens, and other particulates to produce cleaner, healthier air. This versatile and lightweight backpack vacuum comes complete with the Residential Toolkit designed specifically to triumph over the demands of residential environments. The toolkit includes a turbo brush, 14-inch scalloped felt brush floor tool, 17-inch crevice tool, 3-inch dust brush, claw nozzle, static dissipating vacuum hose, telescoping aluminum wand and 2 intercept micro filter bags. For more than 25 years, ProTeam has designed vacuums with durability and quality in mind. These backpack vacuums are low maintenance, long-lasting, and feature meticulous workmanship and the finest materials available. Because of its uncompromising quality, ProTeam covers this vacuum with a 3-year warranty on parts, labor and motor and a lifetime warranty on molded body parts. If you want to know more about the ProTeam Super CoachVac and how to buy yours, click the link below this video.